Hello everyone, it's John Cruz and I'm here to invite you to participate in the Auburn Auction right here in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world. Most of you know I love pre-war American classics and been fortunate to have owned several over the years. And to date, my favorite driving pre-war American classic is a 1931 Cadillac V-12 Phaeton, very similar to the car behind me. I've been fortunate to drive one quite a few miles, and the experience is exactly what you would hope for in a classic. The example right behind me has been restored to a very high level. We have a copy of the Cadillac build sheet, which verifies its original engine body and chassis, its color combination, its mechanical prowess, and of course, its classic good looks make it one of my favorite classics in this year's auction. This car is selling without reserve to the highest bidder. This is your opportunity to come and get a great classic. We'll see you at the auction.